Let's talk about measurements for food and liquids, one of my favorite subjects. When we are measuring food and liquid, we talk about cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. So if you are measuring food, you need to buy measuring cups or measuring spoons. And many recipes specify a teaspoon, a half a teaspoon, or this is probably a tablespoon, teaspoon, half a teaspoon, quarter teaspoon, and 1/8 teaspoon. And with cups, you have 1 cup. I have 1 cup here, a measuring cup I bought. 1 cup, half a cup, a third of a cup, and a quarter cup. We talk about cups when we are measuring sugar, flour. I'll use a cup. If it's liquid, like oil or water, then I use this measuring cup. This has 1 cup. Where is it? Here we go. 1 cup and 2 cups. It shows me the exact measurement. So this total is 2 cups. A pint. You have 2 cups in 1 pint. So a pint, we talk about a pint of ice cream. I have a pint of ice cream. Here's Ben & Jerry's ice cream. If you go to a bar and order a beer, they serve you 1 pint. This is 1 pint of beer. I have a quart. So you have 2 pints in a quart. 2 pints equals 1 quart. And you talk about a quart of milk. It might look like this. A quart of paint. Well, not this. This is a quart of oil. I have a quart of chicken broth I use to make soup. This is 1 quart. Then we talk about a half gallon. So you have 2 quarts in a half gallon. 2 cups in 1 pint. 2 pints in 1 quart. 2 quarts in a half gallon. So here's a half gallon of milk, a little bit bigger. Sometimes it looks like this. Or a half gallon of ice cream is the bigger container. And then a gallon, sometimes you can buy a gallon of milk. They're the bigger bottles. A gallon of gas, right, is the measurement for getting gas in your car. A gallon of paint. A gallon of bleach. Here's a gallon of bleach. Or a gallon of juice. If you have a gallon of milk, it looks like this often, the same bottle. Many cleaning products you can buy in gallons. So let's practice with cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. If you have 1 quart, how many pints do you have? How many cups do you have in 1 quart? How many gallons is 1 quart? If you have 2 gallons, how many quarts is that? How many pints? How many cups? You can see I don't have half gallon here. We're going from quarts to gallons. So you have 4 quarts in 1 gallon. You have 2 quarts in a half gallon. And then of course 2 half gallons equals 1 gallon. So try to find the answers here and do your best.